Hey now, hey, it's Ronnita, the artist behind Purposefully Abstract Art. Art, art has always been a part of my life as long as I can remember. Growing up, drawing was always my thing. And I was fortunate enough to have a high school teacher that encouraged us to try different methods, different forms, different mediums. While I appreciated the opportunity to experiment, drawing has always been in my heart. When I went away to college, I took several figure drawing classes to help develop my skills. Back then, for me, I was like, abstract art, I just didn't get it. I was that person looking at art, was like, what is it? I don't get it. After college, life got busy, and so my creativity was put on the back burner, other than maybe a birthday party drawing a character or two for birthday parties for my children. I really didn't create. Right before COVID, I got the entrepreneurship bug and started kind of researching. I wanted to start paint sip parties. So I started doing research for that, and I discovered fluid art. I seen a few videos, and boy, I was hooked. There was something mesmerizing about watching the paint being poured on the canvas and then that paint flowing over the canvas. But again, abstract art was like totally outside of my comfort zone. It kind of, made me uncomfortable. We're always uncomfortable when we're outside our comfort zone, right? My background was in figure drawing. The figure is exact. So structure, exact, all of those things was an abstract art was not for me. So I did start creating the fluid art, but like I said, it was kind of a little uncomfortable for me. And then about 6 months into my my fluid art journey, I added a figure right in the center of one of my abstract art pieces. And it was like, it brought me balance. It combined what I love, figure drawing, and then abstract art. To me, my abstract art represented my life. My art lives between a place between structure and unpredictability, because that's what fluid art is, unpredictable. And that, for me, sometimes life is unpredictable. You never know how it's going to turn out, what you're going to get from it. So that is how all of it came together for me. Structure, exact, figurative art, and then sometimes it's messy, sometimes it makes perfect sense. Sometimes you're standing there looking at the painting trying to figure out what happened. Abstract art doesn't always make sense, and neither does life. I like creating art that creates a spark, tells a story, or makes people feel something. Will every piece be perfect? Absolutely not. Will there be success? Yes, absolutely. Will there be paintings that questions every choice that I made? For sure. And the fun thing about it is you'll see all of that on my channel. You'll get to follow along with me for my ups, my downs, and my... So if you love abstract art, or it interests you or fascinates you or pulls you in like it did me, you're in the right place. I'm glad you're here. Let's do something fun and beautiful. Thanks. Duces.